Smartphones are evolving every year, and the speed of transition is pretty quick, where the devices get a complete overhaul every year with respect to looks, features, and specifications. Samsung and Apple are some of the brands that are known for making flagship-grade devices, offering features that no other device has. Apple usually hosts its main launch event in September, and Samsung also launches its flagship Note series just a month before that. As we are just a few months away from these events, here are the possible features that we can expect from these devices. Before we proceed, I request you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it, so that you don't miss our videos in future. Alright guys, let's begin this video. How would the Apple iPhone 12 Pro and Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus look? Apple is likely to launch at least 3 devices, and the iPhone 12 Pro is likely to be a middle ground, offering all these features that the most premium model might offer. This device will have a slightly compact form factor and is expected to have a smaller notch compared to the current generation iPhones. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus might look similar to the Galaxy S20 Ultra and is likely to maintain a punch-hole design. Overall, these devices might look similar, if not identical to their predecessors. Will both phones have the best display? Considering the recent developments, the iPhone 12 Pro and the Galaxy Note 20 Plus might come with a higher refresh rate display. The Galaxy Note 20 Plus might offer a QHD Plus panel with a 120Hz refresh rates, whereas the iPhone 12 Pro might continue to offer a Full HD Plus panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. Both smartphones are likely to be compatible with HDR10 Plus standards with native support for HDR streaming on streaming platforms, and both models are guaranteed to offer a higher screen-to-body ratio. Which one will have more powerful processor? The Apple iPhone 12 Pro is likely to be powered by the A14 Bionic chipset, which is likely to be based on 5mm fabrication, making it more efficient than the A13 Bionic. Not just that, the processor will pack more transistors, increasing the overall performance without compromising battery life. The Galaxy Note 20 Plus might use the Exynos 990 or a Snapdragon 865, depending on the market, and the performance of the Galaxy Note 20 Plus will be similar to the S20 series. However, software optimizations might help the device to get a little more horsepower. The iPhone 12 Pro will continue to be the most powerful smartphone if these speculations turn out to be true, and it is likely to offer an upgraded GPU to enhance the gaming experience. Which one will have better camera setup? My friends, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus is likely to have a quad camera solution with a primary camera offering at least 108 megapixel resolution. Leaks suggest that it will have a 150 megapixel resolution along with support for 8K video recording and processing. Apple might continue to use a low resolution, wider aperture 12 megapixel sensor, and it is likely to offer a LiDAR sensor, similar to the one found on the newly launched iPad Pro. Camera performance depends on a lot of parameters, including camera quality, post-processing, and ISP. These phones are likely to set a new benchmark in the smartphone camera photography, and we have to wait to see which one will outperform the other. Which model will last throughout the day? Guys, the Galaxy Note 20 Plus will have a bigger capacity battery when compared to the iPhone 12 Pro for sure. However, both models are likely to offer a day's power on a single charge, and these devices will continue to offer features like fast and wireless charging. Rumors also suggest that Samsung might finally introduce a new technology battery, probably based on graphene, which might revolutionize the smartphone industry. Which one is better? If you ask me to pick a winner amongst these two, I won't be able to do that, as these are just speculations and devices behave differently in real-world usage. I have used the iPhone 11 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I like the display on Samsung's offering, whereas the camera and battery life are excellent on the iPhone 11. So I would say both models will have their own pros and cons. We have to wait until they are launched to test and compare these devices to find out which one has an upper hand. So guys, which brand are you in support of? Let us know in the comment section below. Also smash the like button if you really liked this video, and subscribe to our gadgets friendly channel, Gadgets Times.